Hi friends, I'm Vishal. I'm from Wayne Technical College, and we are here to show the demonstration of our final project. And our project actually is modified toll gate with enhanced security features and automatic number recognition. Let me introduce our batch members. And he is L. Vignesh, he is A. Vignesh, and he is L. Jagdish. Now, let me give a brief introduction about the project. And in the existing system, we use toll gates. And in the toll gates, the vehicle needs to stop, and then the particular person needs to pay the toll amount. So delay occurs. Each vehicle is in a situation to stand in queue, but they are using a new system so that there will not be any delay in the toll gate. Let me explain about the kit. Initially, we go for automatic number plate recognition, so that each vehicle will be having a number plate and will be having a digital camera in the toll gate, so that the vehicle number will be captured by the digital camera and the character will be recognized, and the account associated with that vehicle will be accessed and the amount will be automatically reduced. So that there is no need that vehicle must stand in queue, you can just pass over, it must only slow down and the amount will automatically be reduced. This is the first benefit in our project. The second benefit using our project is that in the existing system, the amount, the toll amount is calculated based upon the type of the vehicle passes over the toll. But in the proposed system, we don't use that technique. We go for an alternative technique. So that the toll amount is calculated based upon the weight of the vehicle. We will not be valuing the amount based upon the type, only upon the amount. We will be implementing load cells over the road, so that when the vehicle passes on the road, the weight will be automatically calculated. And only based upon the weight, the amount will be reduced. The second benefit in using a project. The third benefit is that if you see over the existing system, there is no security features added. So that in case there is any emergency, no security system is there, so that the nearby police station or any security forces can be called. But in the proposed system, we given not that option, so that the communication is made between the toll gate and the nearby police station. So in case of any emergency, the nearby police station can be called immediately. So for example, there is any explosive carried over the vehicle, the system will automatically detect the explosive. So when the explosive is detected, the nearby police station will be alarmed. In the demo for the demo purpose, we will be using gas sensor, so that the explosive will be detected. The nearby police station will be alerted using RF transmission receiving system. These are the three important benefits of using our project. The components used in this system will be explained by my batchmate Jagdish.
I'm going to explain about two systems here, communication system and an interface system. For communication purposes, we use two devices, RF transmitter and RF receiver. The RF transmitter we use here is it is used to encode and decode. Use 12 N encoder. It has 8 address lines and 4 data lines. The transmitter receives the signal, it encodes the process and the translation process. We use two systems here, system and interface system. For communication purposes, we use RF transmitter and RF receiver. The RF transmitter we use here operates at 433 MHz. We use this band because it's license free. It also performs encoding and decoding function. We use 12 bar N encoder and decoder. It has 8 address pins and 4 data lines. Then we have a FPGA interface. We use FPGA because we can dump the programs as per our own wish. We can reset the programs if we want to reprogram it. We don't use microcontroller because it has less memory. But whereas FPGA has more memory here, and interfacing FPGA with other components is much easier when compared to microcontroller. The FPGA we use here is interface using R232 cable here. and the next component we use is a gas sensor and pressure sensor, and it will be explained by Ritesh.
I am Ignesh. I go to explain about the gas sensor and pressure sensor. Gas sensor, this type of the MQ2 type gas sensor is used to detect the propane and ethylene and petroleum materials. It will detect the presence of illegal material. If any directions alarm circuit is on, alarm circuit is on, and then creating the sound, and then motors will be started or rotated. Motors are connected to the gate and spikes. Vehicle cannot cross the road, and gas sensor interface with the EPC. In this system, it is not calculated based on the type of the vehicle, but upon the weight. It is based on principle of piezoelectric effect. So we use pressure sensor. It is mechanical energy to it is converted to mechanical energy to electrical energy. When varying the weight in pressure sensor, amount will be automated. So we use one thing in this real time load sense.
Start பண்ணிட்டேன்.
In real time load sensor use.
Now I am going to explain about the demonstration of our output, and I am going to first explain about the character recognition and segmentation. In this, the image captured by the camera will be in RGB format. First, it is converted into the grayscale. In this, each pixel will have the value between 0 and 255. Then in order to get the number plate region, we are fixing a particular threshold value. Then using the threshold value, each pixel will having the value greater than threshold will be considered as a white pixel, and less than the threshold value is considered as the black pixel. That is 0. Then after that, we are performing median filter operation in order to reduce the salt and pepper noise. Then after that, we are getting the coordinates. After that, we will get the entire black background and the entire white region of the number plate region. In that, the coordinates of the number plate region and the width of the number plate is recognized using the region props command. Then using that, we are. Then after that, the coordinates obtained, the coordinate obtained are used to get the number plate region, are used to locate the number plate region in the original image. Then it is extracted. Then after that, each characters are segmented using the connector component analysis. Then from that, each character is separately taken out. Then it is compared with the database, so that in order to recognize each character. In this, the number plate is recognized, and it is authenticated, and it is compared with the database, so that in order to access the particular user's account. This is the RF transmitter section. In this, if a signal is sent, it is sent to the nearby police station to alarm it. In case of any emergency, the FPGA will send the command, and it will automatically send to the nearby police station. This is the gas sensor component, and it is used to detect the explosives and or any illegal materials. So now the gas is sensed. And it is sent to the it is received by the and it is received by the receiver, and it alarms.
and it is the motors, these two motors are the gate and spikes in order to stop the vehicle.
And this is the on part. And this is the VB window that opens when the character is recognized. And as the characters are recognized, now the amount has to be detected from the database. We use Visual Basic to detect the amount, and then we have pressure sensor, and based upon the variation in the pressure sensor, the amount will be reduced in the database. The softwares used in this system are Xilinx ISE. We use Xilinx in order to dump the program in FPGA kit, and the interfacing kit is executed only using the Xilinx program. And then we use MATLAB, for character recognition. Since MATLAB is a digital image processing software, the characters can easily be recognized. And then we use Visual Basic. Visual Basic is used to create the database and the right program in Visual Basic. These are the softwares that are used in this program, this system. And when I talk about the advantages, as I told earlier in the proposed system, we have three important advantages. The first advantage is that there is no delay, there is no need to stand in queue in order to pay the amount. The vehicles can move, pass over the gate easily without waiting. Second is the amount detection. In the real-time applications, if we analyze it, the heavy vehicles, they will be paying twice the amount during their travel. And even if they don't have any weight carried over them, they need to pay money. So in this system, such drawbacks will be rectified. The third important advantage is that we don't have any security features in the existing system that is overcome. Thank you.